280 a month with a 250 deposit for this. Just arrived, an 8-foot wide Swift. Let me show you around. So it has the anti-snaking system, which makes your insurance cheaper. Come and have a look at this. So it's priced on at 21,900. It's a 2021 special edition Charisma. What makes it a special edition, I'll show you, is the interior. So if you zoom in, it's got a very soft feel to the fabrics, two-tone. You only get that in the special edition. So these sofas can be used as single beds or turned into a double bed. Because it's 8 foot wide, you've got loads of space across the caravan. It's a single axle, but it's huge with it being 8 foot wide. Twin skylight above the lounge. 3-ring gas hob, oven, grill, fridge freezer, built-in microwave. There's the big selling point, full size island double bed. The bed lifts up, lots of storage under the bed, the carpet mats are under the bed, fabric headboard, then a sliding door through to the washroom. And the long washroom, because the washroom is 8 foot long. So this is a very good spec. It has the Truma digital heating system. That is this system here. So that works on a thermostat. You set the thermostat to any temperature. You can go all the way up to 30 degrees and it maintains that temperature like a thermostat. So you're more likely to use it during the winter because it will stay nice and warm. So this is in excellent condition. Just arrived, loads of space. I can do finance quotes on this any number of years, from 2 years to 10 years. If you have a part exchange, I can value that for you against this. And any amount of deposit from £250 upwards. If you want to come in and view it, just give me a quick call. I'll make sure I'm available to show you around it personally. If you can't get in, contact me on the mobile and I'll discuss it with you over the phone.